This is not financial advice. Investing in crypto is risky and you could lose all your money. Hey guys, this is Crypto Dragon here. Today I'm going to show you how to register with altcointrader.co.za. First of all, you're going to type in Altcointrader, Altcointrader, and we are looking for the first one up, and it's www.altcointrader.co.za. You're going to click on that one, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into Altcoin. You're going to hit register. Once you hit register, it's going to prompt you to username, email, password, and confirm password. Alright, so pick a username that you're going to remember and what you're going to use on the site. So anything that you'll know, put it in there, and that's what you're going to use. An email that you're going to know and you're going to use for this account, password, put a password there that you are going to remember. And then obviously remember, you're going to have to verify. Verification code is going to be sent to that email linked to that account. Once you hit accept, register, your account will it will show you an activation number here sent to your email. From there, you'll click activate my account. Once you hit activate my account, it will take you straight through to your account where it will prompt you to put in your password. And from there, you just put in your password. So password in place. Let me put that in there. Right. Once you've logged in there, you'll see your account. But first of all, what you're going to need to do is that you're going to want to come here to user by the menu. You're going to want to hit profile. Once you hit profile, it's going to ask you to set in your personal details. You're going to want to put your name, your surname, your identity, and update your details. And obviously your cell phone number. You need to verify FICA this account. You cannot do things slyly. You've got to do things right. And if you haven't yet leveled up your levels, you'll start off with a trade level of 1,000 Rand deposit and withdrawal. But there, of course, you're going to want to go to level 2. You'll need to verify your FICA documents, and then obviously it would be Authenticator. I would suggest first doing your personal details, going straight to security, and adding a 2-factor authenticator to your phone. This, if you hit enabled, it will take you here to the little barcode here. You go to Google Play Store on your phone, download the Authenticator app, and then scan the QR code, and then get your code, hit in there, that code that changes, hit activate, and it'll activate. Obviously, this is a must do. Preferably if you have a phone, use a spare phone, put it in a safe, put it away, and leave it there if you want to go onto your crypto exchange. But if you're prone to losing your phone very quickly, I suggest that you don't have this on your phone, but you need this because of security factors. But anyway, personal details, name, surname, ID, cell phone number, and then update your verification FICA documents. Put in your verification documents in place. FICA your account so that you can do a withdrawal and draw. Secondly, guys, okay, before we get on here, that is deposits. Okay, let's go to deposits. So now let's get to the main cheese. So now you want to deposit. So South African rands, cryptocurrency, gold or silver. We want to do South African rands. So you can obviously see that Capitec is supported here for payment, quick payments. Yeah, so you've got other banking details and stuff. So what you want to know is that this Altcointrader is not doing FNB, it's doing Standard Bank. And then the most important part is that if you want to add this in as a beneficiary, you will obviously put in Standard Bank you'll put in the account number, and the most essential part is reference number. This one I cannot stress to say is really important, because if you're doing deposit, it's going to have to reflect to the account, and they're going to need to see who this payment is coming through and to which account is it linked to. So this is very important to add this as a reference. It's a must, because if you pay, you're just going to be paying it to exchange, and the money can be gone. But it's not the end of the world, because you can always talk to support and get it back. But remember, it's important to use reference. All right, guys. And Capitec Pay, very simple. All right, so the in between would be something that I would tell you in another video, but let me get to it. So I just showed you deposit. Let me show you withdrawal, that you'll focus on a little bit later. You see, you can only withdraw the limit of 1,000. You cannot do any more, because you have to update the FICA verification documents to get to level 2. Level 2 will give you unlimited deposits of only 200,000. That's per 24 hours. That's still very good. You can withdraw 200,000 only daily for 24 hours, or withdraw or deposit. Nothing more. But if you level to level 3, then you can withdraw 1 million every 24 hours and deposit, withdraw and deposit every 24 hours. And then obviously level 4. So these are the two most essential ones to get to. So yeah, let me get straight to it. So withdrawal, you want to withdraw with South African rands, and then you're going to need to update your banking account details. Like, you're going to have to put in your account holder name, bank type, and the account number. Then you update it. And then obviously withdrawals would be the amount you put down, and then withdrawal. But obviously they have a option for near instant withdrawal. That is ideal for faster withdrawal, but you need to be within the time and dates of that. All right, so what do we have here? This is Altcointrader, and it is an exchange where you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, real world assets, meme coins, AI coins, all of that jazz. All right, so let's see. All right, so you've got buy Bitcoin and you've got sell Bitcoin. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. If they did make these different colors, it would be a lot easier for you to see, but it still doesn't matter. So here you've got sell offers. If you come down, people that are selling, and you've got current buy offers, people that are buying. So let's say if you make a deposit, it will come in here as rands. The first thing you want to do is that you want to convert those rands to a currency. It will probably be cheaper if you converted it to USDT. And then obviously it will show up here as USDT. And then from there you can literally take that and buy Bitcoin and stuff, but you don't have to worry about that. But anyway, once it comes into your account here, it will show balance. From there you can come here to BTC if you want to buy BTC, and you can come here and start buying BTC. So say if you've deposited 1,000 rand, you're only going to get 0.03058382 of Bitcoin. And yeah, then you will have Bitcoin, and it will show you here your balance of Bitcoin that you buy here in the corner. So obviously you can take that balance, and if you wanted to, you could take it here and get it sold, and you'll get that much back, because they have to take a fee from you, trading fee of 0.99815. Okay, so very simple. You deposit, it will show here in the balance, in the ZAR. Then you want to start off by buying Bitcoin. Come to Bitcoin, come down here, you put, if you got 1,000 rand there, if you want to put 1,000 rand in here, you put 1,000 rand. If you want to put 500, then you put 500 in. But if you got 1,000, you put 1,000 in, and you hit buy, bing, and then it will show here that you have your the buy order that will go in here, and then someone from the sell order here will pick it up. Obviously, that at that price of Bitcoin, it will be picked up here, and someone else, it will come off as a sale, and then you will have BTC. Then obviously, if you want to sell it, you put it through here. See, this is buying, this is selling. So then you put that amount into BTC there, and it'll tell you how much SAR you'll get out of that. Obviously, they take the fee, so then you'll sell. But I mean, obviously, you're going to want to wait to see if the markets go up more to make the sale. So yeah, there's plenty of other things that I can talk to you guys about in the next video, but I hope you guys can understand it. It's very simple, very easy. Once you log into the user account, go straight to profile, and then come to personal details, and then it will obviously show you personal details first. Put in your name, ID, your surname, ID, update status, put cell phone number, and update this. Very important, very essential. And then head over to security, get a two-factor authenticator on your phone via Google Play Store, and yes, download this authenticator, scan the QR code here, put the code in, and hit activate. So let's do it again from the top. Log into your account, personal details, name, surname, ID, cell phone number, update, and then head over straight to security, download the Authenticator app, put it on your phone via Google Play Store, go to Play Store, Google Play Store, download the app, put it on your phone, scan it with your phone. It'll give you a code, and then that will be the code that you can put in here. Hit activate, and it'll activate. It might take about 24 hours for verification to go through, but once it's through, you should be ready to go. But also remember, once you verify your FICA documents, it'll take up to 24 hours for it to go through, or 48 hours for them to see, to pend it, to let it go through, because they go through the verification process of pending, to verify whether you qualify for level 2. I mean, that's very straightforward. FICA documents, proof of address would be bank statements, picture of your ID, picture of you holding your ID preferably. So maybe you holding your ID with a piece of paper next to your face, by the ID that's written on the paper. Please verify Altcointrader account with the day's date, and then take the photo, get someone to take the photo for you, make sure it's very clear, and then take a photo of your ID, take a photo, send them through the PDF file document. It will show you here. Send it through the PDF document of your bank statement, photo of you, and of the ID document next to your face with a piece of paper that says verify account to level 2 Altcointrader and today's date. And then they'll take you 48 hours, and then they will be able to allow you to have level 2. But yeah, that's very important to get it verified, because you will make trades and you will make more than 1,000 Rand that you want to withdraw or deposit more. Once you deposit your 1,000 Rand, you won't be able to deposit anything more or withdraw anything more, because this is very essential. So it's very easy, very straightforward. You can even come over to history. You can see your trades that were done in history. You can see your deposits that you made in history. You can come see your withdrawals that you've done in history. Very important one as well, you can see your wallets, how many other coins you're holding. When you hit wallet, it will show you. And then obviously they've got news and site news, and then media and blog and airdrops as well that comes in, free coins and stuff like that. And then Save Easy, they've got like staking program, but this It looks very complicated right now, but straightforward, basic. Just keep it simple. I like to put mine, it normally comes on as white, but I normally put mine as dark because it's sensitive to my eyes. But if there's anything more, very easy, very straightforward. Log in, profile, deposit, sort out all of this stuff. Deposit, South African rands, boop. Put in this account numbers, very important. Reference, don't forget reference, very important. Yeah, once that is through, then you'll have money in Altcointrader. Then I'll make another video, guys. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, please. Hit the notification button as well.